Achieving a smooth, non-wrinkled shirt starts when you wash it. Never spin cycle your shirts more than 400 to 600 rounds per minute. You'll need an ironing board, a spray bottle, and a good iron. When taking them out of your washing machine, stretch all the seams and let the shirt dry on a good shirt hanger. Ironing your shirt when it's still slightly damp after laundry will give the best results. Check the care label of your garment to find the right temperature for your iron. If dry, dampen your shirt first. Start by ironing the cuffs and sleeves. Always iron the cuffs from the outside and in to avoid creases at the seams. Flatten the sleeves using the seam as a guideline to make sure the sleeve is flat before pressing it. Next part is the yoke. Press the shoulders of your shirt and the back of the yoke to avoid creasing the rest of your shirt if doing it later. Now, iron the collar. Fold it up and iron the back side from the outside in, just like the cuffs. Fasten the top button to hold the shirt in place when ironing the front and back. Next step is the front, where we first make sure to iron carefully between each button and under the collar. On the other side of the front, you find the placket with all the buttonholes. Stretch the placket and fabric to avoid creases while pressing. Finally, let your shirt cool off and dry on a good shirt hanger.